Kevin, he just got the bonus on his machine. We're playing Spiraling with these monkeys.
It's pretty cute.
It's pretty cute. Drea's here with me. Want to say hi?
Hello.
Alright, here we go. I am betting $1.50, 5 cents. And here we go. So you want to get balls, Drea? As long as you get balls, you keep getting 3 spins. And those are nickels. Oh, that's good. I need 2 more. Oh, he throws balls. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, he ups the amount. Yeah. No. 5, 3. Come on, give me a ball. Yes. All right, I got 2 rounds left. Oh yeah. 1 more. Oh, I got the monkey. Yeah, Kevin got the monkey at the same time. All right, I need 1 more. Let's go. Give me a ball. Ah, I need 1 more. Oh, I need 1 more. Last spin. It's done. Mine's done. Oh, he's gonna up them, but it's done. Okay, so the good news is those are nickels. But I started at like 320. So will I get back there? Probably not. It's crazy. What's this? Lanterns? Bringing me back. Alright, well I made $47.50. I'm about where I started. Now I'm done.
Alright, I'm at Yaamava playing Firelink feature, double explosion. I spent $3 a spin getting wrecked. I started with 200 and I lowered it to 150. I got 1 ball and then the monkeys up here decided to throw down 3 more. And Jennifer's next to me, right here. She's videoing. She got this bonus the same time I did on her machine. Alright, $6 ball. Again, I'm in for 200. More to unlock the next row. 1 more. Oh! What's he doing? Yeah, what's that? Oh, he ups the amount. You got it at the same time I did? Wow, Jennifer and I are in the exact same bonus. Is she in the bonus too? Hey, I unlocked. How many? What row are you on, Jen? How many rows you got left? Oh, I'm on the... I'm almost to my last row. That's a nice ball, $30 ball at the top. We need 2 more. Oh, there's the monkey. You got it too. And Jen got the monkey at the exact same time I did. Oh, $6 times 2 cents. All right, it doesn't give you any more spins, but that was pretty cool. Let's find 2 more. Last chance. Ah! No. My bonus is over. So we'll count it up. was 200, so it looks like it got me there with a $96 win. Ultimate Firelink double explosion. Monkeys are so happy. Still in the bonus? All right, yeah. We're both, it looks like we're both back where we started. But we had fun. We'll play it again another time. Thanks for watching.